cuties, it's that Jess here, and I hope you're all doing really well today. I am super excited because I have the most amazing unboxing video today. I mean, I assume it's going to be. The item I am unboxing is amazing. Just a little FYI, I am extremely tired, so I am saying I'm excited. I am so excited, but I'm also very tired. So if I'm a little bit deflated, that is why. So, you all know how much I love Sanrio. It's everywhere. And if you didn't know, I have a massive love for Irregular Choice as well. So we all know where this is going. They announced a Hello Kitty and Friends collection, and I lost my mind when they announced that. I was so excited, but also scared, because Irregular Choice is a bit on the pricey side, but if you saw their stuff, you'd know why. So I was a little bit scared for my bank, and I still am. So I hope you're all very excited as well. Also, another FYI, you are on a different angle today, and that's because I brought out my mini tripod on my windowsill, because my room is a bit of a mess at the minute, i.e. I have like zero floor space. There is not enough floor space for my big tripod and me. So unfortunately we got this little get up today, but I hope it's okay. Please tell me it's okay. Yay. So I'm a tad sad that the box is a little bit damaged. I hope I can fix it, because part of Irregular Choice is enjoying the boxes they come in. This will be my third pair of shoes. I'll spoil it, it's a pair of shoes. Oh no. And this will be my third pair of shoes from Irregular Choice. But before we get to that, I made a socky purchase. They had really cute tights and socks in this collection, as well as bags. No bags in this haul. I wish there was. But I got the My Melody Hop Hop socks. They are cute. Now, I kind of was in such a frantic panic to get what I wanted before it sold out. And spoiler, it did sell out. So I didn't probably look at everything. I was just like, oh, My Melody's my favourite. Have to get the socks. Looking back now, wish I got Guzatama instead, who is my fourth favourite. But we are here and I still love My Melody. So these are the socks. These are the Hop Hop socks with My Melody on. These are like ankle socks, I believe. And they have just got little My Melodies all over them with straws. And I just thought that was really adorable. See the packaging there? It's just a really sweet collection. And this is actually my first pair of Irregular Choice socks. Now these were like £16, so it's pricey, but like I had to guys. And these are my little sockies. They're so cute. Now I just stood on something. See? Mess. You've got these little My Melodies on it, and she's actually got like a hot pink hood on, which is rather different. And you've got these like pink strawberries, and you've got Irregular Choice Hello Kitty and Friends printed on the sole, I believe. And they are just really cute socks. They are like ankle slash sport socks. They're not long enough to be ankle socks, I don't believe, but they are super cute. Now I have diddy feet, so most socks come up a lot bigger on me than normal, but I really like getting these types of socks so that they peep out the top of shoes and just look so darn adorable. And here you can see like you got this little edging on the top, which is actually printed as well, but it just looks like a frill and it's just really sweet. I say the whole collection so darn cute. Oh my gosh, like I could have bought all the socks. Honestly, like I really still want the Guzatama ones. The Little Twin Stars ones were adorable as well, but there is a specific reason I didn't get those ones. What I will say is the lack of cinnamon roll is showing. Why does everyone leave cinnamon roll out? On this bag up here, granted not Regular Choice, that's a Regular Choice. This Loungefly one, no cinnamon roll. No cinnamon roll at all. Guys, injustice. And now we get on to the big boys. Yeah, we're about to open what might be my most exciting purchase ever. And I'm kind of just procrastinating it because I'm that excited. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. They're so cute. Oh no. don't know why I'm saying I know, because I've already committed to buying them. Now, these do look a bit big. I'm worried now, guys. So if you couldn't tell, I got the Little Twin Stars. I can't quite remember what these are called. The Little Twin Stars Memories and Smiles shoes. These are like a Mary Jane style shoe. These have got a little bit of a platform to them. They kind of give me like kickers slash creepers vibes. They're really, really cute. And oh my god, you would not believe how much love everyone had for these. Well, I mean, I guess you can, because you yourself have seen how cute just one is. And these were so popular. I got onto the site on my laptop at 12, so when they launched, and the 37s had already sold out. Luckily, I'm a 36. I'm not even a 36, I'm a 35, but I don't go any smaller than that. But they had sold out, and I was like, oh my god, I am literally going to sob if I cannot get these. I checked my phone 45 minutes after launch, after I'd bought everything, and these had completely sold out in every single size. I could not quite believe it. I knew that these were the most popular ones from what I'd heard from my friends and people I follow online, but I didn't quite realise they were going to sell out that quickly. But you can see why. So let's go get the other one. Please. Sometimes you know when you're like, oh, should I have really bought something? And then you see it and you're like, heck yeah, I should have bought it. Thank you, Past Jessica, for actually committing to getting me. So the actual shoe itself is like a purple glitter. And then on the front you've got the printed character. So on this one it is Kiki. Star on the strap, which is cute. You've got like this baby blue colour. On the heel you have got a printed design. So this one you've got the castle, and this one you've got the cloud machine. It's just really sweet. If we look at the sole, you've got like it's kind of like a rubber platform, which I quite like because it's much sturdier and easier to clean as well. And then the right foot is Lala, so you got Lala printed on the front, same as Kiki. Then you got the same purple glitter all around the shoe. This side you got a bunny printed. I don't think you had a bunny printed on the other one. Alright, you had the cat printed on the other one, bunny printed on this one. You can see the lining. Now, Irregular choice is like known for their linings and like the inner soles, and the actual sole of the shoe itself. They're always so intricate and as cute as the actual shoe themselves. So here you can see you've got the Irregular choice Hello Kitty and Friends logo there, as well as a Kiki and Lala themed print. And this actually on the top, if I rotate it around, this pink here is like fluffy. So it's going to be so comfy, I hope. So I chose these out of everything because they look like the most practical shoes out of everything. You did have like more practical ones. I think you had some trainer type ones with like a little bit of a Regular choice flair to them, and you also had some sliders. But me personally, these are my like everyday type of shoes. I wear clumpy shoes. That is what I love. It just makes me happy. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, an Irregular choice pair of shoes that I can wear every day, and that's Sanrio. So yeah, I just could not get these, and the fact that they did sell out makes me even more happier and more like certain of my purchase, because I would have been gutted if I hadn't missed out on these. Because look at them. So like, in summary, very happy. Like, I was so ready. Well, I wasn't ready at all for these not to fit, but like, I'm very excited that they do, and that now I can actually wear these and just love them so much. I no doubt will be scared to wear them out. I still have them on. Oof, there we are. I still have them on because they are just so cute. My thoughts on the collection is that I loved it. There was actually not that many pairs of shoes that I would buy myself. I loved them, but in terms of like what I wear, I'm not the best at wearing really high heels because I'm a little bit clumsy and my ankles just kaput. But these, oh hey, were like made for me, I swear. These are like my style shoe. Kiki and Lala, who I just love so much. Very sparkly, very pastel, and I'm just like, oh, I'm so happy. Plus it makes me a little bit taller. The bags from this collection, oh my god, they were the best thing, which is weird considering I don't have a bag from this collection. The one from the Little Twin Stars range, adorable, wish I had it. The bag I would honestly love the most is the Gudetama backpack. If I was able to buy one more expensive item from that collection, it would have been that Gudetama bag. I love it, and Gudetama is one of my favourite characters. I do love him. Very surprised I didn't get anything else my melody apart from the socks. They were tights, they were really, really cute. But I just struggled to style like vibrant and patterned tights. Overall, I thought it was such a good first Hello Kitty collection from Irregular choice. I say first because I am adamant that they are going to do another. I am so certain, because this one appeared to be so successful that I would honestly be really surprised if Irregular choice or Hello Kitty decided not to do another one. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I done the Irregular choice Hello Kitty and Friends collection. If you managed to get anything, please leave it down in the comments. I would love to know what you managed to get from this collection, or if there was anything that you really liked but just haven't got, let me know as well, because I do love hearing people's thoughts on this collection. That is all from me. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Jessica, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button down below and check out my other social medias, which are in the description. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos because I love making them, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye guys. Eek.